Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best catch cans for turbo that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the WEN JTP Oil Catch Can Kit with 4 adapters and breather filter. This compact yet functional catch can offers a 5-ounce, 150 milliliter capacity, making it perfect for cars with limited installation space. Its bright red finish adds a pop of color under your hood, while the universal fit makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Honda, Toyota, Ford, and more. The washable breather filter ensures effective oil vapor trapping and filtration, preventing impurities from entering the intake manifold and protecting your engine from carbon buildup. Plus, the built-in drain valve makes emptying it a breeze without removing the can, adding convenience for regular maintenance. The design is lightweight, featuring aluminum construction for durability and corrosion resistance. However, its smaller capacity may require more frequent emptying compared to larger catch cans, which could be a drawback for those who prefer low-maintenance setups. Additionally, the tapered thread design improves sealing, but may not fully match the visual expectations shown in the product images. While this is a budget-friendly option for general use, it may not be ideal for high-performance setups requiring larger capacities. Overall, the WEN JTP Oil Catch Can is a great starter option for those looking for an affordable and compact catch can that's easy to install and maintain. It's perfect for everyday users with standard vehicles, but might not be the best choice for heavy-duty or racing applications. Pros include affordability, universal compatibility, and a user-friendly drain valve. Cons include a smaller capacity and potential sealing inconsistencies. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Evil Energy 10N Oil Catch Can with a whopping 750 milliliters capacity. This catch can is designed for high-performance setups, making it ideal for turbocharged and track-focused vehicles. The large capacity means fewer emptying cycles, and the built-in drain valve adds convenience for quick and clean disposal. The 2-port design and baffled system ensure effective oil and vapor separation, keeping your intake valves clean and extending engine life. If you're looking for a catch can that can handle demanding environments, this might be a great fit. The build quality is robust, featuring aluminum construction with tight seal fittings to prevent leaks. Its universal compatibility makes it suitable for most vehicles, but you'll need to ensure there's enough engine bay space for installation due to its size. While the design and performance are impressive, it is slightly heavier compared to other options, which might not be ideal for those prioritizing lightweight setups. Additionally, the price point is not available, making it hard to evaluate its value proposition directly against competitors. Overall, the Evil Energy 750 milliliter oil catch can is perfect for enthusiasts and professionals who need a high-capacity and durable catch can for intense applications. Pros include large capacity, effective oil separation, and durable construction. Cons include its bulkier size and a potential lack of affordability compared to smaller alternatives. At rank number 3 is the RULLINE Universal 2PCS 350 milliliter oil catch can tank. What sets this product apart is the inclusion of 2 catch cans in one package, offering dual functionality for users who might need separate setups for different systems. Each catch can has a 350 milliliter capacity, which is slightly larger than average, providing a balance between size and usability. A black polished aluminum finish not only looks sleek, but also ensures durability and corrosion resistance. The TIG welding and O-ring gasket fittings guarantee a secure seal, minimizing the risk of leaks. Additionally, the built-in dipstick makes it easy to check oil levels without opening the can, adding a layer of convenience. Performance-wise, the Baffled design effectively captures oil and moisture from PCV and CCV air systems, helping to prevent sludge buildup and prolong engine life. The universal fit works for most vehicles, but installation may require some adjustments due to its slightly higher weight. While the product doesn't include a breather filter, its tight seal design compensates for this by maintaining a clean and efficient system. However, with only 19 ratings, the customer feedback is limited compared to other products on this list. The RULLINE catch can set is a great choice for users who want a versatile and durable option for general automotive use. Pros include dual catch cans, a built-in dipstick, and robust construction. Cons include limited customer reviews and the absence of a breather filter. Taking the number 2 spot is the EVIL Energy Universal Baffled Catch Can Kit with NBR fuel hose. This catch can offers a balanced 300 milliliters capacity, making it ideal for daily drivers and enthusiasts alike. The Baffled design includes removable components and optional steel wool for enhanced oil and moisture separation, effectively preventing carbon buildup in your intake valves. The included NBR fuel hose is a standout feature, offering excellent resistance to wear and heat, which is crucial for high-temperature environments. The universal fit ensures compatibility with most vehicles, though you'll need to verify installation space in your engine bay. The build quality is exceptional, with aluminum construction that's lightweight yet durable. The polished finish adds a professional touch to its design. One feature that users appreciate is the flexibility to install with or without a breather filter, depending on the specific needs of your setup. However, in freezing conditions, regular cleaning is recommended to prevent blockages caused by moisture buildup. With a 4.5-star rating from over 3,000 reviews, this catch can has proven reliability and customer satisfaction. Overall, the EVIL Energy 300 milliliter oil catch can strikes a great balance between performance, durability, and value. It's ideal for users who need a reliable and versatile catch can for daily driving or light performance use. Pros include high-quality materials, optional installation configurations, and excellent customer feedback. Cons include potential freezing issues in colder climates. Finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the EVIL Energy Oil Catch Can Kit with breather filter. This product stands out due to its versatility, offering both pre-PCV and post-TCV installation options. The 300 milliliter capacity is perfect for most vehicles, and the removable baffled design ensures efficient oil and moisture separation. The breather filter adds enhanced filtration capabilities, making it ideal for setups that require venting. The included NBR fuel hose is heat-resistant and durable, providing a secure and long-lasting connection. One of the biggest selling points is the brand's commitment to customer service, with hassle-free returns and exchanges for any quality issues. The aluminum construction is lightweight yet sturdy, with a polished finish that matches well with modern engine bays. The design allows users to install the catch can either sealed or vented, depending on their specific needs. While it performs exceptionally well in most conditions, users in colder climates should be cautious about potential freezing risks and clean the can regularly to avoid blockages. This product has received over 2,200 ratings with a solid 4.4-star average, making it a trusted choice among consumers. Overall, the EVIL Energy Oil Catch Can Kit with breather filter is a versatile and high-performing option that caters to a broad range of users. Pros include flexible installation options, durable construction, and excellent customer support. Cons include maintenance requirements in extreme temperatures. It's a fantastic choice for both casual drivers and performance enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.